मनी इज इम्पोर्टेंट। मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा है, बोला पैसा क्या है, इट्स नथिंग। पैसा इज एवरीथिंग, मनी इज एवरीथिंग। यू नीड मनी। इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी मनी, इफ यू लिवलेस्ट, if you don't have any money, you lose confidence. You cannot talk with someone if you don't have money, like a confident guy. Okay, you need money. Money is important. Don't listen them who say money cannot buy your happiness. Money can buy your happiness. If you don't have money, you're not happy. Most people say, oh, I don't have money but I'm happy. Elon Musk have almost of money, but he's not happy. He sleep in his own company. He cannot sleep in his own house. He can, but he don't do it. He loved it. He loved to work hard, but he is happy with his career, with his money, with his family. You're not happy, man. You just push your brain, oh, I'm happy, but you are not happy inside because you don't have money. You can do nothing that you want to do in your life. Everybody wants to buy a Lamborghini, everybody wants to buy a Ferrari, everybody wants to buy a $1 million house. You cannot, man, because you don't have money. You need money. I know I'm 16 and when I say like that, and that is odd, but what I can do for it? I can do nothing, man. Money is everything. I see it. If you don't have a lot of amounts of money, you don't have a good relationship. I see it. You should earn millions of dollars, then you can say money is nothing. But if you don't have millions of dollars, you should not say, hey, money cannot buy your happiness. Money can buy your happiness. Money can do everything that you cannot imagine in your life. Money can change people. Money can make people. Money can break people. Everything that you cannot imagine in your entire life. Okay? Money is everything. Everybody just think about money. Okay?